I am a little bit nervous today because we are dyeing my hair and we're going black. This is crazy. I haven't dyed my hair black in so long, but I've been wanting black hair I've wanted it for years now, but I've been like, I'll never go back to black. And I was talking to one of my friends and I was like, should I just do half or should I do all of it? And she was like, girl, do all of it. So we're doing it. We're dyeing my full hair black. I don't even know. I'm nervous because I don't know what to expect, especially because I didn't even really try to like fade this. I mean, I've washed it probably like 6 times since I dyed it. So I mean, it's kind of faded, but it's definitely still blue and purple. So we're just gonna see what happens. I bought 2 tubes, said that we can do, there's 2 ounces of this and then we can do 2 ounces of this. But it also said if I want, I can do 4 ounces of this to the 2 ounces of this. Maybe go for like 3 ounces, like roughly, like not quite half, but like ish. I'm not sure if I'll need the second tube, but I bought 2 in case I run out and don't have enough because I have a decent amount of hair. So we might need to use both. In terms of supplies, I've got my bowl. We got our little brush, got some gloves. I have a few of these little clips as well. Oh my God, we did it. We got it all applied. I have a tiny bit left. I definitely did need both tubes, so if you have hair as long as mine, get 2. And then I didn't quite use all of this. I think I still have about like that much left. So I did roughly probably like 2.5 to 3 ounces per bottle, but I'm just gonna kind of go through and use up the rest of this, make sure it's saturated, but holy shit. It's black. It was so cool because it's kind of slowly like developed into black. Oh my God, I gotta leave this on. I think it said 10 to 40 minutes and it took me like 25-30 minutes to put on, so I'll probably let it go like 10-15 minutes and I should probably rinse it out, but we're gonna use all this and then I'll update you guys and then I'm gonna shower. Oh my fucking god, we did it. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse this out now. I feel like it's, you know, got more black. It looks very black. I'm so excited. I'm so scared. I actually don't know if you're supposed to shampoo it out or just rinse it out. The packaging just says rinse until clear, and ChatGPT says to just rinse it out. But then I was looking online and people were saying to shampoo it out to make sure there's no more chemicals. But like, this isn't like a permanent dye, so it's not like, I think that there's no ammonia. I don't know. I'll probably just rinse it really good and then maybe do a super quick shampoo, but I might not. It'll just depend on how it feels. I'm gonna trust ChatGPT and the packaging that didn't actually say shampoo, but we'll see. I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing. So, oh shit, I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to like keep my makeup on while I'm washing it because I want to be able to show you guys tonight, hopefully. I mean, it's kind of late. I think it's like midnight. But we'll see. Worst case, I'll just update you tomorrow. But I'll at least probably show you like once it is rinsed out tonight. We'll see. I'm gonna shower. All right, so I am out of the shower. It's been drying for like 15 minutes, so you know it's kind of like not dripping wet. So you get an idea of what it is. This is crazy. It was so crazy to take off. Like I had my little hair turban towel on and taking it off was like, what? But I think I love it. I can't wait for it to be dry. This is so crazy. It feels so weird. Like I haven't seen myself with black hair like this. The last time I had full black hair was like when I first started my YouTube channel, like Little Brooke. Like I was like 15, 16 years old. We are officially done. It is all dry. I blow dried it a bit ago. It's almost 3 in the morning. And I put on this top because I thought that you could see it better instead of it being like a black t-shirt. My makeup is kind of old and it kind of got ruined in the shower. So I feel like the full effect will be even better once I, you know, have like a fresh day of like makeup. Trinity wants some food. Her food bowl is empty right now and she's like, please give me food. I saw it when I walked by. I was like, oh, that's why she's being clingy. This is it. I think it turned out really, really good. I'm super happy with it and I'm excited to just kind of give my hair a break, you know, like this is it. I don't have to get my roots done because I was going to go get my roots bleached, but now they're just black. So yeah, here it is from the back. I feel like my hair is growing so much. It's so exciting. Anyways, that is everything that I have for now. You guys will be seeing a lot more of this in the future because I'm going to have this for a while and we'll see how it fades. I hope it lasts for a decent amount of time, and who knows, if I really end up loving it, we might go permanent black. I don't know yet. We'll see, but I'm definitely happy that my hair is getting longer and everything. So I am gonna go now. Hope that you guys enjoyed the hair dye video. Let me know what you think of the black. It's a pretty big dramatic change. Good night. See you guys next time.